Hello guys, so welcome back my new video. So today I would like to share about very interesting topic over the fear of speaking. This question mostly comes from the beginner. I know every person understands English. Every person knows rule and regulations of grammar. But it's time to speak, then they become nervous. And they think, what if I make mistake? What if someone laugh at us? Actually, let me know something important. Fluency doesn't come in one day. Fluency takes the time. Fear is normal. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Making the mistake is process of learning. By making the mistake, you can learn many things. When you don't make any mistake, so you can't improve. So don't afraid of making the mistake. So once again, rise the question: how to improve our fear of speaking? So I have many tips and tricks with the help of you can remove your fear from you. So before jumping the video, I would like to share about myself. My name is Ravni and you are watching my channel English with Desi Housewife. So I have the tips and tricks with the help of you can remove your fear. Firstly, don't think about the fear, about the mistake. Actually, mistake is a part of learning. Even native speaker makes many mistakes. So how you can think you can't make any mistake? As suppose you are learning Hindi. Okay, as a child learns Hindi, his language. But while observing, while listening, he makes many mistakes. But he never stops. Okay, so don't think about the mistake. Don't say again, my English is bad. Say, I am learning. So speak every day. Actually, speak English daily, even for 5-10 minutes. Describe the room. Describe your day. Describe some visualization thing. And in front of the mirror, if you don't have any partner. So actually, fluency ask for practice. The more you have the practice, the more confidence you become. And another thing you have to follow, think in English. Try to think in English. Don't translate in your mind. Just, I am sitting. I am having the conversation with you. I am making the video. Don't take any help of translator. Just explain with the help of your mind in English. Okay, so and slowly your mind will get used to English. And another point I have, with the help of you can remove your fear from your mind. Don't compare yourself to others. Sometimes people have habits. They try to compare yourself to others. This is your journey. Okay, you have to handle yourself. I know many people speak very fastly. Many people speak very fastly, but don't compare yourself to others. This journey is yours. Because when you make the differentiation between the people, so then definitely you start getting many fear in your sight because of the comparison. So don't compare. Okay, and another thing, it's a very useful thing here. I would like to share. Chat with ChatGPT. Talk with ChatGPT. I know you don't have any partner. You don't have any environment where you can have the practice. So take the help of ChatGPT and find a partner and try to describe your daily routine, some question in English and then ask to the ChatGPT. Make the conversation with the ChatGPT. It's like your personal partner with whom you are having the conversation. It's a very amazing. So definitely you will become the very good speaker in the future. And finally, I would like to share here, enjoy your process. That's it. Because when you start speaking in front of the people, don't afraid of making the mistake. Don't afraid of the people thinking. Just enjoy your process. Enjoy your time when you are speaking with someone. So that time automatically confidence comes. So first and in the end, definitely I would like to share, confidence doesn't come first. Practice comes first. Okay. So if you have the consistency, if you have the some rule and regulations for learning, if you have the strategy, if you have you are the punctual for improving your communication skills, so in the future definitely you will become the very good speaker, believe me. So once again I am saying, if you wanna improve your communication skills, so please subscribe, like and comment to my video. So bye bye.